Thank you for stopping by Ballistic BBQ. On today's video, I'm going to be creating for you guys an ooey gooey mess, the Landslide bacon cheeseburger. Let's get going. So before I start creating this monstrosity for you guys, I wanted to give you a heads up and ask for a little support. I have just launched a second channel called Ballistic Burgers, and as the name implies, this channel is all about burgers. Now, there's not going to be any changes with Ballistic BBQ at all. I'll still be uploading burger videos on this channel at about the same pace that I have been, but Ballistic Burgers is going to be a new burger video every week. It's going to be amazing. I've already have some videos in there, including a very beautiful chili cheeseburger. It's a copycat from Blake's Burger. They're based out of New Mexico. That was actually a fan request. So please check it out. Give me a sub. I want to build this thing. It's exciting for me because I'm going to go all out, and I hope you guys check it out and enjoy. Let's start cooking. So I have a burn on my wrist that is in the healing process. It's not the sexiest looking thing in the world, so you guys don't have to look at it. I'm gonna glove up while I'm cooking here. So using the Blackstone Griddle today, these three burners, medium, medium high, and the fourth burner is not on. Kick this off with some bacon. Now, one of the things I'm going to be doing is making what I'm calling a griddle sauce. So I have here some Cajun style andouille sausage. Some pancetta. Some roasted hatch chilies. I roasted these, pulled the skin off, and diced them up. Some sweet onion. Nice. Get this bacon off to the side here. Again, the burners are not on here, but it'll stay plenty warm. Leave this alone. What I have here are 3 4.5 ounce beef patties. These are 80/20 ground chuck. Using the bacon fat. .5mm ballistic smasher. Hold it down for 10 seconds. A little kosher salt on this side. Nice sesame seed bun. Get a nice toast on this going. Or you can see how the juices are coming through the surface now. These guys are ready to flip. Nice strong spatula with a beveled edge to scrape them off the flat top. Provolone cheese, aged cheddar, pepper jack. Got a nice toast. And these nice toasted edges of the cheese. I love that. First patty down. 2 slices of bacon. Second patty down. 2 slices of bacon. Third patty down. All right, now it's time to raise some eyebrows here. We're going to make, again, what I'm calling a griddle sauce. Get this stuff over here. So again, we've got sweet onions, fried sweet onions, Cajun style andouille sausage, hatch green chilies, and pancetta. Now we already have the goodness of 3 types of cheese there, more traditional cheeses, you know, cheddar, provolone, pepper jack. Now we're going for creamy texture, and you can only get that from American cheese. Very mild flavor, but very cheesy. We're going to turn this into kind of a cheesy sauce. Keep this moving here. And there we are. I crowned the Landslide. I told you it's a disaster. I can guarantee you it's going to be good. And I'll also remind you, take what you think is good about these type of burgers, incorporate them into your own burgers. I'm not telling you you have to make it this way. This is like a concept burger here. I think you guys are going to want to see this sliced in half. Gloves coming off. So gnarly. Time to try this thing out. All right, in your face here. It's a lot of beef, a lot of gooey goodness in there. So right off the bat, the smell. I'm smelling that kind of spicy, Cajun-y flavors, you know, the andouille. I'm getting definitely some of that hatch chili coming out. Let's try this. I mean, look at this. This is a disaster. This is something, honestly, I would eat something like this, but I think I'd probably split it up with my wife. So I knew it was going to be good. I mean, how could it not be good with all that stuff on that, with all that goodness on there? But it's actually way, way better than I thought it was going to be. Again, I'm picking up that Cajun flavor comes out, that andouille flavor comes out very, very, not prominently, but it's in there, if that makes any sense. It definitely complements all the other flavors. The cheesiness, that, what I called a griddle sauce, you know, the American cheese melted with all that stuff, it works. Again, I wanted that creaminess that, although, you know, I'm going to eat cheddar or provolone on a platter, you know, like a cheese platter, anytime over American cheese, but you can't argue its meltability and its creamy texture. and then you're getting those nice cheese flavors that kind of, you know, goes along with that creaminess. So anyway, thanks again for stopping by. I always appreciate the views, the comments. Quick reminder about that Ballistic Burgers channel. If you're here because you love burgers, you're gonna love Ballistic Burgers. One new video a week, all about burgers. Anyway guys, I'll see you in the next video. If you're not subscribed, please do. Make sure you ring that notification bell. If you like the video, thumb it up. See you in the next video. Cheers.